Igbo kwenu. Igbo kwenu. Kwezuonu. Bikono. Ebe ọwụla unu nọ, bikono unu wetuonu olu. This is a very important chapter in this occasion today. Wetuonu obi and listen to me, please. Your Excellency, the Nigerian Ambassador to Ireland, Dr. Mrs. Kema Chikwe, ably represented by Mrs. Chinyelo, members of the Orostos Island, Michael T. Higgins, I salute you. Members of the distinguished high table, I salute you all. This is a defining moment in our life. This is a time for us to tell our story and tell it effectively. Igbo, as widely referred, are one of the largest single ethnicities in Africa. But a significant number of Igbo could be found almost everywhere around the world, where their quest for greener pastures and daring survival instincts took them. Our origin, according to a school of thought, is traceable to a village in Omuri located in the present day of Anambra State. A village founded by their progenitor Nri around 900 AD. It is believed that from this Nri, the Igbo spread across what is now considered as Ala-Igbo, Igbo land, mixing with various indigenous of all divides. The Igbos are sometimes referred to as the